Hi folks, today I'm going to share with you an instructional video for I Believe in Music, which is our new arrangement for this week. And it's got some pretty cool parts. So I'm going to start off by sharing my screen here, and you're going to be able to see those slides. I Believe in Music is our first song, and it's got two kind of tricky parts, so I'm going to take you through those right now. There's a C downstrummed run, which looks like this. Notice I'm just downstrumming each note, alright? So when I stop the share, you can see I'm playing a C chord. There are 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm keeping that C chord down the entire time. This is a little chord melody move. My second finger on the second beat, so here's our C. Then my second finger plays G, and then I slide my first finger down to the second fret, and then I put my first finger on F, and then I play an open C. And in the song, it looks like this. So when I'm playing my chorus, I've got C, D minor, F, G, and here it comes. I believe in music. I believe in love. That's a neat little move that the kids in Halifax did when Mr. Doane did this song on the Halifax waterfront. Now near the end of the song, we actually have a key change, all right? And we switch the key to D. So now the chorus sounds like this. I believe in music. I believe in love. So I did a little run using D suspended chords. We play a D, like so. Then our third finger goes down to the third fret of the E string to play a G note with that D. We go back to the straight up D chord. Then we take off the third finger to play a D suspended second, and then we put it back on. So the whole run sounds like this. Now what's cool here is that the original kids did the song in the key of D, so we're actually, in our key change, going to the original key that Chalmers Doane did the song with his kids back in the 70s. So that's a little run through of the new arrangement. So I'll play a couple of parts just so you can get a feel for the rhythm. Here we go. 1, 2, here I go. I believe in music. I believe in love. I believe in music. I believe in love. You can even up down strum those if you can catch the fingerings, alright? Now the verse part sounds like this. I could just sit around making music all day long. As long as I'm making my music, ain't gonna do nobody no harm. So that little move there, where it says DS, that means downstrum. So I'm going to be downstrumming that F 2 times, downstrumming E minor 2 times, and then I'm back to island strum for C. So again, that little riff sounds like this. And who knows, maybe someday I'll come up with a song to make people want to stop fussing and fighting long enough to sing along. Now if you want to cheat, you could just long enough to sing along. Instead of 2 downstrums, you can just do 1. To make people want to stop fussing and fighting long enough to sing along. So that's a couple of the rhythmic elements of the song, just so that you can get a feel for how we're going to play it at this week's session and in the future. Also, don't forget to check out the homework videos for this week for chord melody, mandolin chords, and Here Comes the Rain Again, beautifully played by James Hill. Hope to see you guys soon. Thanks very much. And we're out of here.